Hello friends, so welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn cases in German. So first of all, let us understand what are cases in German. In German, many words change their form or add different endings according to their function in a sentence. That is, they change depending on whether the word is a subject or the object of a sentence. And these changes and endings are called cases. If the nouns are subjects, we will use different articles, and if the nouns are objects, we will use different articles. So there are four cases in German: nominative, accusative, dative and genitive. In German, Genitive. So let us learn first of all nominative case. What is nominative? It is in German Nominative or der Wehrfall. The nominative case is the base form of the noun. It is used as a subject of a sentence, means where we are using subject, that is in nominative case. And if we ask question who and what, then we will get nominative case. Der Wehrfall literally means the who case, because in German wer means who. For example, my father is a teacher. Who is a teacher? My father. So my father is in nominative case. The nominative case can follow the verb to be, sein. After sein also we can use nominative case. And if you ask what question, for example, here he is a teacher. Er ist Lehrer. So what is he? He is a teacher. So we will get nominative case. The nominative case can also follow the verb werden to become and heißen to be called. And we'll ask the question what, as for example, he became a teacher. What he became? A teacher. He is called Rahul. What is he called? Rahul. So a teacher and Rahul both are in nominative case. Second one is accusative. Accusative case. Accusative, their accusative or their vain fall. In English, the accusative case is known as the objective case, and it is used as a direct object. The direct object, what is direct object? Direct object is the person or thing having the action done to it by the subject. We can ask the question what or whom, and we will get accusative case. Their vain fall means the whom case, because vain means whom in German. And in this case there changes to then, as it is a vain fall case. Let us see some examples here. For direct object, the girl sings the song. So what does the girl sing? She sings the song. So the song is a direct object. He gave me a book. What he gave me? He gave me a book. A book. So a book is a direct object. The dog bites the man. To whom the dog bites? The man. The man is a direct object. And I saw him yesterday. To whom I saw? Him. So him is a direct object. Let us learn how to use articles for accusative case. In the accusative case, only the article for masculine nouns change. Articles will remain same in all cases except masculine noun. Here you can see the list here. Only we have changed there to then. Others are same as nominative case. And indefinite articles for the accusative case, here we can also see that only ein changes to einen for masculine. Others are same. And let us see the pronouns used in accusative case. For me, we use mich. For you, we use dich. For him, we use ihn. And for you, her and them, we use sie. And for it, we use as. And for us, we use uns. And for you, we use euch. So remember, we also use the accusative case after certain verbs and prepositions. There are some verbs and prepositions in German. We use accusative case after them also. Prepositions of place where movement is involved. An, auf, hinter, in. An, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, zwischen. The accusative case is always used after the verb haben. And in some set expressions also we use accusative case. Guten Morgen, vielen Dank. Now let us learn dative case. their dative or their vem fall. The dative case is used for the indirect object. As we have seen, the accusative case is used for direct object, but it is used for indirect object. The indirect object is a person or thing to or for whom the action is done by the subject. We can ask the question to whom and we will get the dative case. Their vem fall means the whom to whom case. In this case, there changes to them as it is a vem fall case. For example, he gave me a book. First question is to whom he gave a book. So he gave me. So me is an indirect object and it is in dative case. And what he gave me a book. A book he gave me. So a book is accusative case. So you must have understood now what is indirect object and what is direct object. For indirect object we used dative case, and for direct object we use accusative case. Let us learn the definite articles for the dative case. In dative we use them and their and then. Them for masculine and neuter nouns, and their for feminine, and then for plural noun. In the same way, in definite articles we use einem, einem and einer. Einer for feminine nouns and einem for masculine and neuter nouns. In dative case, the pronouns changes. Here for me we use mehr, and for you we use dear, and for him we use ihm, her, ihr. Ihnen, ihnen, you and them, ihm, it, and we do not change pronouns for wir and ihr. Means it is uns and euch. And remember, here we also use the dative case after certain verbs and prepositions. There are some verbs and prepositions also. We use them. We use after that dative case. And in some expressions, for example, mehr ist kalt, I am cold. So mehr is in dative case here. The last one is genitive case. Genitive case in German. What is genitive case? Their genitive or their base fall. The genitive case is used to show that something belongs to someone. Means for possession we use genitive case. And if we ask question whose, then we will get a genitive case. Their base fall means whose case. And in this case their changes to this as it is a base fall. Note, we need to add an s or es to masculine and neuter nouns. We use here s or es also with nouns. Feminine and plural nouns do not add an ending in the genitive case. Thus auto minus Bruders, my brother's car. So we have used here minus es with mine we have added, and Bruder we have added s. So it is my brother's car. Thus auto minus Bruders. The Bluse des Mädchens, we have added here s and es. The girl's blouse. And definite articles for the genitive case, we have to use des for masculine and neuter nouns, and there for feminine and plural nouns. In the same way, in definite articles, eines for masculine and neuter nouns, and for feminine einer. There are some rules, some special features. As set and x ending nouns we use es, means es must be added. For example, their plats, so it is ending in set, so we have to use es, des Platzes. And one syllable nouns ending in consonant. Suppose we have some nouns which are one syllable, we have to add es to them. For example, their man is one syllable noun, so we have to use here es, manes, des manes. Thus sloss, it is also monosyllable, and we have to use des slosses. En, el, er ending nouns we have to just add s to them. Let us see some examples here. Die Schwester des Arztes, the doctor's sister. Das Auto der Frau, because it is feminine noun, so we have used der, the woman's car. The Handschuhe des Kindes, the gloves of the child. It is neuter noun. The Sandy des Mädchens, it is also neuter noun, so the girl's mobile. And the Party der Kinder, this is plural, so the children's party. And you can see the list here for definite articles for all cases, and you can pause the video here to learn them, how to use them. So that is all for this video. So we'll learn something new in next video, and we'll learn these cases in detail in next video. So till then, choose